It makes me so mad. When I go from Fortnite to PUBG, nobody talks shit. Nobody, they just ask and they're like, hey man, like, I kind of miss seeing you play Fortnite. Could you play again sometime? That's what I get. That's what I get, right? But when I go play Fortnite after playing PUBG for a long time, I get all the people who are calling Fortnite a kid's game, acting like kids. It's crazy. It's crazy. I don't understand. I don't understand people.
I think what Toast thinks about the January card back, which is that it is a very special, wonderful card back. Wow.
God, dude, when I fucking get out of this living hell that I'm living in, I will fucking jizz all over the fucking world, man. And I will fuck you guys that fucked me over for fucking so much fucking bullshit, man. So many people that are so blind and dumb and abandon me and idiots. Sheep. I can't wait to get the fuck away from you guys, man. Fuck you who said that about my mom. Honestly, fuck you. Like, I'm serious, dude. Fuck you. Saying shit like that, man. Unfucking believable.
Wow, it's really chunking you. Oh no, I don't need. Oh my. Uh-oh. Do I have to come in here and get you? Well, are you gonna die? Do I just go in there and heal you? What do I do? I don't know. I don't know. Does that help? Oh no, I don't know. I don't know. Ray! Ray! No, you can go get the stuff, Janet. Okay. Yeah, there's a motives, you know, like just stay true to yourself, continue what you're doing, and I'm sure karma or whatever, someone like Toast will come into your life and help. And he says this a lot, and I'm trying to accept it too, but he says that yes, he did expose me a lot and gave me lots of exposure, but he said that because of my hard work and my personality, I was able to continue doing what I do and upkeeping everything in the exposure. So that's very, very important. Yes, he exposed me very hard. I have literally so much to thank him for. And thank you guys for staying and giving me a chance to get to know me. But yeah, that's what it is.
Oh. Alright. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Okay. Now, we just shove him into it. Go ahead and get in there, buddy. Wait. Oh my god! That'll work too, I guess. That'll work too. Alright, GG's. G fucking G's, baby. G fucking motherfucking G.
Can you say sub with Twitch Prime?
Sub with Twitch Prime.
You heard the man.
Thanks, buddy. I love you.
I love you.
Are you going night-night?
I tried to take the credit. And then I said, from the community. Oh, he takes it back. That's it. That was it. Wait, what? That was it? Yay. Okay. I guess he doesn't want the other two treats.
go! That's how it's done, baby!
Alright, here's the plan. Okay. Okay. Whoops. Here's my plan here. It's gonna be this. What? The impulse to throw. Come on, game. Why you gotta do that to me? Oh, I don't want to do that. What is this? What did I don't want to do this.
I will start permabanning people because, according to me, you guys who seriously have problems with this are part of the true 1G squad.
Yo, right here.
You feel me?
Yo, there's a guy right here. I think he's by himself.
Part of that fake 1G squad. You feel me?
He doesn't even know what's happening, dude.
I am on my way, sir. On my way.
Full team, full team. All dead.
Nice, dude. Good shit, man. Good shit, man. Good shit, man. Hey, the chug.
Who got the chuggies?
I'm gonna have to push. Yo, don't usually donate. Playing with human trash for this
team
20, man.
75.
Make sure you don't want to invite Logan Paul as well, dude. Hey, man, I wouldn't care. You guys are just, oh man, I'm a little disappointed in the chat, to be honest with you, dudes. If I'm being completely honest with you, I thought the 1G squad was a little bit different.
Copy and paste what?
To, like, if you're gonna keep track of multiple at once, like everyone's.
You just type. Wait, what do you mean?
To keep like a running everyone.
coming up, I think.
Wow, you actually live. Good job, Pat. That's the first time. How come you don't do this in my game?
Round of applause. Round of applause.
Yeah, how come
Please
you don't
back.
do this in my
Don't
game?
die to Annie. Please back.
I'm solo. The minions are about to kill me.
If you die to Annie, I swear to
Yeah, I'm
God.
good. I'm good. I have no mana.
Oh.
Oh,
It's Johnny!
Like, what is my Sejuani doing?
Timbers, what are you doing?
Timbers. Timbers.
Oh, Timbers!
Where to, Ray? Battlefields. I don't even. Oh my god.
Let's go!
If I were playing with someone else, they'd be like, "You asked me where we're going, and then you just told me where to go." I can hear someone saying that. A special
I like
someone.
all of them. You know. Oh.
Thank you, Ray.
Toast?
What?
Are you talking about toast?
I don't know what you're talking about, Ray.
You said a special someone.
I still don't understand what you're trying to say right now.
Wink, wink. Wait, I.
Open a window. Open a fucking window. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Come here, little bunny. You got rockets early game? Are you out of your mind?